Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Stock Market Show. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. Let's talk about ROCKETLAB, RKLB, up 34%. I believe the ETF that doubles your amount is up, 60%, 68%? So that's something to keep an eye on if you are interested in taking some gambles here. There is I believe it's RKLX. I don't have it on my watch list apparently. I thought I did add it to my watch. RKL, is it this one? Yeah, RKLX is up 67%. So if you're looking to use some leverage, there you go. This is the one to buy. If you want to go in with calls, that's another way to go about it too. But let us look at the superior technicals here on RKLB. So you zoom out on the chart. What does this stock keep doing? It keeps going up over the long term. I think I remember a long time ago telling people, hey, ROCKETLAB is a buy. Why is it a buy? Can you see why? I just want to test some of you, because those of you who have been around long enough, you can probably see the pattern, right? Let me remove the support levels here. And do you see the simple pattern here that told me this is a good buy for long term and for flips and for, it's just easy money. Can you see why it's easy money? I see it. I see a line and it's purple, and I wonder what the price does. All right, jokes aside, that's just my kind of humor, guys. Look at this. Comes up to 30, pulls back, and drops down to this line that's purple. It's a line and it's purple. You don't got to be a genius unless you're, I guess, colorblind and don't see purple somehow, which probably comes with other issues because you probably don't see other colors. At that point, you might be, I don't know, you might not even see anything. But that thing is purple, and it always, is it just me or does it come down to this line that's purple, right? And so what's the genius behind the purple line, right? What's the genius here? What's the brilliance of this, right? What's the brilliance is that you don't buy high, right? There's a lot of dumb people out there. They buy high, hoping it goes higher, and if it doesn't work out, they hold the bag all the way down. That's a very stupid strategy. Isn't that stupid? Isn't that dumb? Right? You want to buy low, sell high. You want to buy cheap. So if you buy at the purple line here, you would have bought it around 18 versus the suckers that bought at 32. Because you're smart. You're not stupid. Now, what happens after it comes down to this purple line, right? It's a line, it's purple. What happens? The price goes on an upswing back to 53, then continues to 72 before falling on its face from 72 to $39. Oh no, it's the end of the world. But then, wait a minute. Is it the end of the world? I don't think so. Is it just me, or did it just come back down to that same purple line? Like, why does this work? I don't know. People have asked me, why does this work, Shades? No idea. It does, and I just take advantage of the pattern. I don't know why it works, guys. I wish I could pull out a rabbit out of my hat and have the rabbit explain to you why this works. But here we go. What happens after it comes down back to 39? Oh no, it's over. It's the end of the world. Kapow! It makes a big move to $105. And then what happens? Oh no, it's over. It's the end of the world. And comes back down to this sweet purple line. Goddamn good old Mary over here showing up and giving us the BJs at the purple line, of course. Now, this stock, like I said, it will blow you away. All right? It will blow you away. Look at this. You guys seeing this? That is the brilliance of the purple line. Every time you buy at the purple line, you are not chasing high. You're not going to get bagged high because you're not chasing high. You're waiting for this line that's purple. And so it did come back down to around 60s and finally making that next leg up and breaking out huge above $100. Now the sky is the limit. With the kind of hype that there is on AMD and a bunch of other space stocks, we could see this go to 120, 140, 150 and beyond. But I think the biggest takeaway here is the real money is made. You can chase as long as you're using strategy, but the real takeaway is this thing keeps going up over the long term. Number one, that's important. It keeps going up over the long term, so it's hard to lose. Number two, it always comes back down to this arbitrary line that's purple. I don't know why it works. It just does. It's a line that's purple. And when you buy down here, you save yourself the headache of potentially holding a big bag, and you don't got to think about it too much, right? Again, unless you somehow can't see purple, then this whole time you've been watching this video, you're just seeing some white squares appear out of I don't know. That's all you're seeing. So if you ask me, I'm going to buy huge at the purple line, and I'm going to load up on calls leaps, plenty of time, because clearly it's not like it just moonshots straight up. It can take time to climb higher, make that next high, makes that next high, make that next high. But I just want to point out that this run right now is just getting started. And here's how I know. Let me just show you something. I can show you that this is just getting started. From low to high here, before it pulled back to the purple line, it moved $56, right? From low to high here, it moved $60, right? Isn't that interesting? So let's see. From low to high, it's moved $48. So it still has plenty of juice in here. In fact, take note that it moved 355%, then 160%. Of course, the numbers keep going a little lower because it takes a little more price per share move to get. I don't know if it's going to make a 300% move. A 300% move would have to send it to what? It would have to send it to. Yeah, it would have to send it to like $300. Something ridiculous. Yeah, I would have to send it pretty high. So either way, there's still plenty of fuel in this. Number two, this rally is just getting started after the big, huge volume green candle. The volume there is 80 million. I mean, that is 4x the amount from what I'm seeing here in the previous candles. Every time we've gotten huge volume like that, it is always followed by another green day, at least back here from what I'm seeing. So I would expect this to go to 120 and beyond. That is my expectation. I could be wrong. Maybe this is just a one-time thing, and then we come back down. Either way, it's a win. I think if you're using a stop loss and you jump in on Monday, I mean, if it's going to rally, you're not going to get stopped out. It's that simple. You make your money, you get the hell out, and then you can do it again until until the rally fizzles out, or you wait for the purple line. Right, so there you go. That is my analysis, the purple line analysis here. I told you this stock will blow you away because it is that incredible. When you look at the technicals, how can you not love this? Now, I know some of you can ask, are you in this? I'm going to jump into it on Monday with a stop loss, no big deal. Whatever, if I take a small loss, no big deal. I'm not the kind of guy that's going to hold the bag all the way down. I've been there when I was a beginner. It feels terrible to hold a 50% bag down. Yeah, never again. I set my stop losses. I got my strategy. I'm ready for Monday. I'm probably going to buy NVIDIA calls as well because that one's getting ready to break out highs, and there's plenty of other plays. Quantum stocks are going to run huge as well. So plenty of money to be made everywhere. It's a bull market, guys. It's easy money. Everyone's a genius because it just keeps going up. That's all there is to it. Patreon.com/tradingtrades if you want to join the Discord for alerts and to learn how to trade the markets. That is it for the video. I will see you tomorrow.